So being new in the crypto space or not, it's actually very important to have some sort of physical hardware wallet. Now, they have LEPAL devices, which are awesome. We have the Ledger Nanos, which are awesome. The Secure X, which I honestly haven't tested yet, but I'm assuming it's awesome as well. Now they have a Tangem wallet. This wallet right here is a NFC card that actually communicates with an app on your phone to keep your crypto safe. Now, the cool thing about this is the fact that it has 3 cards to 1 wallet, where your significant other could potentially download this app and you guys could share a center point, which would be the wallet, and have separate cards, one in the safe, one in her wallet, one in your wallet. I think it's awesome. Let's dive into this, see what this is all about. But just before we do that, let's hear a word from today's sponsor. As a crypto miner, have you ever wanted to own any of these non-mineable cryptocurrencies without going through the hassle of KYC, exchange fees, and/or taxable events? Then look no further. Unmineable.com provides over 75 different cryptocurrencies that are able to be acquired mining with your ASICs, mini box miners, GPUs, or even the CPU in your everyday PC. With speculative mining playing such a massive role in the crypto mining space, Unmineable.com is the clear choice for most new miners and seasoned vets alike. Please go check out Unmineable.com to make your crypto mining experience easier than ever. All right, so let's open this thing up and check it out. Now, as you see, slides open pretty nice, right? I think that's cool. It's got a little hole in the back so you can push the cards through because it's kind of a pain to get them all out. But as you can see, we have 3 cards here, and they do have a pack of 2. One is going to be the primary card. The other ones are going to be backups, more or less, or significant others card, right? What we're going to do is I'm going to set this whole thing up. I'm going to download it on my phone. I'm going to do the initial startup. Then I'm going to show you guys that I actually did download it on the wife's phone, got it working on there as well. So she can carry a card, I can carry a card, and we can mutually use one crypto wallet. Now let's get into the website here, and I'm going to start reading this while you guys visually watch that. So this is Tangem.com, the safest crypto wallet for everyone. The Tangem Wallet lets you store your crypto assets secure and easily accessible while keeping your private keys contained in your card. Ultra secure backup, you can connect up to 3 cards to 1 wallet, so you always have a way to use your wallet if your main card is lost, stolen, or damaged. You have access to thousands of cryptocurrencies, a hardware wallet for your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more cryptocurrencies simultaneously all in one card. And it's also DeFi compatible. Exchange, buy NFTs, make loans and deposits in more than 100 different decentralized applications with help of Wallet Connect. And as you can see right here, it says search in 2,731 different cryptocurrencies, where we can actually type in Caspa, and now Caspa has a hardware wallet that is compatible with their network, which is pretty cool. So either way, you guys can, scroll through this and see what makes sense to you. As you can see, Uniswap, there's so many coins on here. We could type in renders in here. There is a bunch of different coins. I actually checked Ergo. Ergo is not on here, but I mean, they really don't have a wallet anywhere. So Zelcore is going to be the way to go for that. But regardless, this is a really cool hardware wallet, at least in my opinion. Now looking right here, we can see how much they actually are. You have 3 cards for $55.90 or 2 cards for $43.90. And to be honest, this is actually pretty cheap, at least in my opinion. Scrolling down, you guys can see the key features here. Cutting edge technology, 25 years of service life. You have maximum resistance, the IP68. This is for like water damage and dust and all that stuff. Obviously, heat is pretty much the only thing that's really gonna kill this card because it is plastic and it can melt. Now, if you guys can see right here on the screen, I actually stole the wife's phone to show you guys that I can log in to the same app on her phone with the same card, primary or secondary. As long as I put that PIN code in, she has access to that same wallet. So it's kind of nice being able to more or less share the same crypto wallet with your significant other, just like you would any other bank account. So now, pros and cons on this Tangem wallet for me. I love the fact that it's like a little credit card style and it's easy to just throw in your wallet with everything else. It's virtually indestructible. I don't have to charge it. I can give one to my wife. She can have access to my crypto wallet. No problem. It's very convenient. It really is. And then on top of that, this is, if I'm not mistaken, the only Caspa hardware wallet that is actually available at this current moment. So I'm super excited about this, and I'm kind of upset that I didn't open this sooner, to be honest. And it's fairly cheap. That's actually another thing, right? Ledger is over $100 for most of them anyways, almost $200 for some of them. And yeah, this thing's like 55 bucks and you get 3. I don't know. It's kind of neat. The other thing, the only downfall I would say with this thing is the fact that it only lasts around 25 years, but that's without knowing actually how long a real Ledger or LEPAL or SecureX, like any of these ones will actually last. So that could honestly be longer than those. I just don't know. Either way, guys, I mean, this is it. I'm not trying to shill anything. I just want to make a quick video and actually really look into this thing for a change, because I actually never did. And yeah, I'm actually glad I did. So you guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'm not affiliated in any way, but I will leave a link to this down in the description below if you guys are interested. So stay safe. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.